Hey, what's up guys, it's Bizix here, and today I'll be doing an unboxing and build of the EPOMAKER X Feker Galaxy80. Upon opening the box, you're greeted with the keyboard itself, along with the little instruction card or manual. The keyboard also comes with a nice dust cover, which is really appreciated, as you may have seen from my last video. My keyboards are generally very dusty. That's something I need to work on. Also contained within the box is this little accessory mini box. It comes with a USB-C cable and a switch and a keycap puller, which is very nice. My first impressions of the keyboard are that, wow, the purple is really nice. I only have like black and white colored keyboards, so this is a really nice addition to my collection. The keyboard comes with a couple switches to help hold the internal parts in place. It also comes with some pre-lubed plate mount stabilizers. And turning around to the back, you can see this nice little EPOMAKER sticker on it. EPOMAKER X Feker sticker on it, which is a nice touch. The switches that I'll be using for this build are the Gateron Smoothie Silver linear switches. Now, I haven't tried many switches, maybe around 10, but these Gateron Smoothie Silvers are by far the smoothest stock switch I've ever used or experienced in my life. They are so smooth and so buttery. The keycaps that I'll be using for this build are some black on white cherry profile keycaps. And now, with a little bit of magic, boom, the keyboard is built. To be honest, I kind of forgot to record the in-between portions, but yeah, that's the build, and I'll leave you guys with a sound test.